Here's how to jumpstart your car in a few easy steps. Step 1, grab your jumper cables or your jump box. I highly recommend you get one of these because you never have to wave down a stranger or rely on a second vehicle being around. You can carry this with you everywhere you go, and you're always capable of jumping off your car by yourself. Step 2, we're going to get our connections connected. Our jump box is turned off at this point. There's no power on it. So we're going to take our red connector, red to red. Remember that. You're going to take your black connector and put it on your black terminal. Touch that right there. And then you're going to go ahead and turn your jump box on. All right, we gave it a few seconds, so we're going to try and start it up now and see if we can get it going. Okay, final step here, you're going to turn your jump box back off and then disconnect your black first and then your red, and that's it, you're good to go. If you have to jumpstart your car battery often, that's a sign that there may be something more serious going on. It's a sign that testing your battery may be a good place to start, so stop by the Grease Pro nearest you and our team is happy to help.